स्टैचूज की बात हो तो आपके दिमाग में कई अलग अलग प्रकार के स्टैचूज के नाम आते होंगे, जैसे स्टैचू ऑफ यूनिटी जो हमारी यूनिटी इन डाइवर्सिटी को रिप्रेजेंट करता है, स्टैचू ऑफ लिबर्टी जो अमेरिका की फ्रीडम को रिप्रेजेंट करता है। लेकिन क्या आपको दुनिया के 7 सबसे ऊंचे स्टैचूज के बारे में पता है? अगर नहीं पता है तो मैं आपका दोस्त शिवम इस वीडियो में आपको उन 7 स्टैचूज के बारे में बताने जा रहा हूँ। हमारे चैनल का नाम है स्टारलाइट। लेकिन अगर आपने इस चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है और बेल आइकन क्लिक करके ऑल का ऑप्शन अभी तक क्लिक नहीं किया है तो जल्दी से कर दीजिएगा। तो बिना देरी किए इस वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। नंबर 7, द ग्रेट बुद्धा ऑफ थाईलैंड, also known as the Big Buddha. Great Buddha of Thailand is the tallest statue in Thailand, the second tallest statue in Southeast Asia, and the 7th tallest in the world. The statue was constructed on the order of Phra Krun Vihul Arjan Khun, the first monk head of Wat Monk Temple. Money was donated by the elastic Buddhists to build the statue. One can see the statue from very far, which has got the place ample fame. The approximate height of this statue is 302 feet. Number 6, Kushiku Quinyan. It is the 4th tallest statue in China, while 6th tallest on earth. This gilded bronze idol depicts a bodhisattva embodying the compassion of all Buddhas. An investment of 260 million yuan was done by the Ngishan County government with the help of local business and religious organizations to complete the construction of the statue in 2009. The approximate height of the statue is 325 feet, whereas it is located in China. Number 5, Sindhai Daliknon. Sindhai Daliknon is a large statue of gem-bearing Nyorin Kannon, form of Kannon situated in Sindhai, Japan. This is the tallest statue of a goddess in Japan and one among the top 5 tallest statues in the world. There is an elevator to take the visitors at the top of the statue depicting the Bodhisattva Kannon from Shingon Buddhism. The construction of this statue was completed in the year 1991. The approximate height of the statue is 330 feet, whereas it is located in Japan. Number 4, Ushiku Daibutsu. Ushiku Daibutsu is also among the tallest statues of the world that was constructed in 1993. This statue of Lord Buddha is positioned on a lotus platform. As of 2018, it is among the top 5 tallest statues in the world. The statue portrays Amitabha Buddha and is constructed of bronze. It was built to celebrate the birth of Shinran, founder of True Pure Land School of Buddhism. The approximate height of the statue is 330 feet and it is located in Japan. Number 3, Lekyun Sekha. Standing on a 13.5 meter stone, Lekyun Sekha is among the tallest statues of the world. It is a grand structure of Gautama Buddha in a golden color. The construction of this statue started in 1996 and continued by 12 years. The statue was officially available for public visit in February 2008. Every element of the entire monument is detailed properly. The approximate height of this monument is 381 feet. Including its base, it is 424 feet and it is located in Myanmar. Number 2, Spring Temple Buddha. Second tallest statue in the world, Spring Temple Buddha is a grand statue representing Vairocava Buddha. It is created amidst a lotus-shaped throne situated within the Fondu Shaft scenic area. Construction of this statue started in the year 1997 and continued till 2008. The statue is built on a hill that has been reshaped to form 2 further pedestals. The estimation cost of the entire project is about a large amount such as $55 million and $18 million. The approximate height of the statue is 682 feet. Last but not the least, Statue of Unity, which represents the unity in diversity of India, portraying Indian statesman and independence activists. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's Statue of Unity is the tallest statue of the world at present, situated on a river island opposite to the Sardar Sarovar Dam in Kevadia colony. The statue was inaugurated by Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi on 31st October 2018. The 43rd birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The approximate height of the statue is 790 feet, whereas it is located in Narmada in Gujarat and in India.